Thank you for visiting us. Enjoy watching.
Having a late breakfast in Indonesia.
The focus of this lesson is adverbs of frequency.
Jarang aku bangun siang.
Seldom do I wake up late. The expressions of how often something happens are usually covered with adverbs of frequency. In Indonesian, adverbs of frequency are placed before the verb. The most common expression of adverbs of frequency in Indonesian are as follows.
Selalu.
Always.
Biasanya.
Usually.
Umumnya.
Generally.
Rutin.
Regularly.
Sering.
Often.
Kadang-kadang.
Sometimes.
Jarang-jarang.
Occasionally.
Jarang.
Seldom.
Hampir tidak pernah.
Hardly ever.
Tidak pernah.
Never. For example,
Andi selalu mencuci tangan sebelum makan, dan Lisa sering pergi ke teater.
Andy always washes his hands before taking a meal, and Lisa often goes to the theater.
Orang itu jarang ke gereja dan hampir tidak pernah merayakan Natal.
That man seldom goes to church and hardly ever celebrates Christmas. Other ways to express adverbs of frequency in Indonesia is by using the word
Setiap.
which can literally be translated as every, usually indefinite frequency.
Setiap hari.
Every day, daily.
Setiap minggu.
Every week.
Setiap bulan.
Every month.
Setiap tahun.
Every year, annually. For example,
Andi membaca koran setiap pagi dan Hana melakukan meditasi setiap sore.
Andy reads the news every morning and Hannah does meditation every afternoon.
Umat Muslim merayakan Hari Raya Lebaran setiap tahun.
Muslims celebrate Eid feast every year. To express how frequently an activity happens, we can use a number or several added by times. In Indonesian, this can be described with kali dalam. Dua kali seminggu 2 times a week. Tiga kali dalam sebulan 3 times in a month. For example, father goes to Medan 3 times in a year and mother visits grandma twice a month.
Ayah pergi ke Medan 3 kali, dalam setahun dan ibu mengunjungi nenek 2 kali sebulan.
Grandma takes a dance class 3 times a week and grandpa goes fishing several times a month.
Nenek ikut kelas menari 3 kali seminggu dan kakek memancing beberapa kali sebulan.
Grandma takes a dance class 3 times a week and grandpa goes fishing several times a month. A famous Indonesian soup. Oxtail soup, or sop buntit, is one of Indonesia's many popular dishes. The soup contains slices oxtail, boiled potatoes, carrots, tomatoes, leek, and celery, in a delicious hearty beef broth and garnished with fried shallots. As Indonesia is abundant with native spices, the dish is usually seasoned with garlic, cinnamon, pepper, nutmeg, and clove. The oxtail may come fried, barbecued, or boiled with ginger before it's mixed with the soup. This special dish is usually served with white rice and comes with chili sauce,
Sambal,
sweet soy sauce,
kecap manis,
lime wedges,
jeruk nipis.
and shrimp chips, emping. These are all foods worth trying.
Vocabulary.
Gabung.
To join.
Minggu.
Sunday.
Minggu lalu.
Last week.
Kebun.
Garden.
Segera.
Soon.
Panggil.
To call.
Sudah.
Already.
Bangun.
To wake up.
Contoh kalimat.
Sample sentences.
Ayah bergabung menjadi tentara setelah lulus kuliah.
Father joined the army after college graduation.
Hana pergi ke gereja setiap hari Minggu.
Hannah goes to church every Sunday.
Kami pergi ke teater minggu lalu.
We went to the theater last week.
Ibu sedang menyiram tanaman anggreknya di kebun.
Mom is watering her orchids in the garden.
Kita akan sampai di bandara segera.
We will arrive at the airport soon.
Karena takut anjing, anak kecil itu memanggil ibunya.
Afraid of the dog, the kid is calling his mother.
Sudah berapa lama Anda belajar bahasa Indonesia?
How long have you been studying Indonesian?
Anak laki-laki bangun tidur dan meninggalkan tempat tidurnya.
The boy wakes up and leaves his bed.
Saya bangun jam 6 setiap pagi.
I wake up every morning at 6 o'clock.
Vocabulary phrase usage. Sudah is an adverb that can be translated as already. The other word for sudah is
Telah.
while. Sudah is usually used in casual conversation. Telah is usually found in formal situation and written expressions.
Sudah makan.
Means already eaten.
Sudah tidur.
Means already slept. Here's an example using
Telah. Dia telah menyelesaikan pekerjaan rumah sebelum pergi tidur.
he had finished his homework before went to bed.
Bangun.
Can function either as an adjective or an intransitive verb. In an imperative sentence, Indonesians often use it as
Bangun tidur.
meaning wake up. In a sentence, people usually associate the expression along with
Tidur.
meaning sleep, so with or without
Bangun tidur.
is translated as wake up after sleep.
Segera.
Is an adverb that can be translated as soon. A synonym is
Secepatnya.
usually sesepatnya or segera are used in a letter expression such as
Aku menunggu balasanmu segera secepatnya.
which means I look forward to receiving your reply soon.
Conversation.
Percakapan. Pagi, Bu.
Morning, Mom.
Ini sudah siang, Andi.
It is already noon, Andy.
Kenapa kamu bangun sesiang ini?
Why did you wake up this late?
Maaf Bu, ini kan hari Minggu.
Sorry, Mom. Today is Sunday.
Lagi pula, jarang aku bangun siang.
Besides, I seldom wake up late.
Kita akan segera mulai makan siang, ajak ayahmu untuk bergabung.
We will have our lunch soon. Ask your father to join us for lunch.
Harum sekali baunya. Makan apa kita siang ini, Bu?
Smells very nice. What will we have for lunch, Mom?
Sop buntut. Minggu lalu kamu bilang ingin sekali makan sop buntut.
Oxtail soup. Last week, you said you were craving oxtail soup.
Terima kasih banyak, Bu.
I can never thank you enough, Mom.
Ayah ada di mana?
Where is father?
Dia ada di kebun, sibuk dengan tanamannya.
He is in the garden, busy with his plants.
Baik Bu, aku panggil ayah dulu.
Okay, I'll call him.
Thank you for watching this video. Please click like and subscribe to watch other videos. Thank you.